Woo! Hey guys, today is gonna be a special day. We will buy a van. Leroy is buying a van, but what's his is mine, so we're gonna buy it and I take you with me. Now I'm gonna drive to Leroy's. So this is the bed. This is the seat bank from behind, and we think about to make the bed smaller because we don't need a such big bed, and we could make here a thing for the kitchen, and there on this side some storage. Hi, we go for shopping now for the van. First step of the floor is done. Under this is the isolation, and now comes the carpet. Good morning, it's a new day. We go to the van. This is gonna be our bed. Hello, hi to the van. Today we made some small works. We want to do the other front. We want to do the front there, to work there a bit. Today we did small things like these boxes. We painted here, all the things we cut it. We made these things. We made the thing on the side here, put this on, and down here is another thing that is safe. Tomorrow we go to eat at Leroy's, and the day after tomorrow at Christmas, the first Christmas day, we eat with my family, and the day after, the second Christmas day, we don't know what we want to do yet, maybe with friends. It's not easy while Corona, but we will do this, and the days after Christmas we will work on this thing again. I'll be happy when we're finished, but it's really cool to do all these things on their own.